Hi, I'm Steve Shealy, a plastic process engineer here at EnGel. Today we're going to talk about the safe and correct method to hang a mold into an injection molding machine. This video can be used as a guideline to ensure repeatability and ideal molding practices for properly trained staff. If your mold halves are not concentric, you can cause wear within your mold. It is recommended to use a form of corrosion resistance between the mold and the platens to prevent rust. This is not required if there is an insulator plate. The mold should hang level. This is typically done with a removable mounting bar with a pick point at the center of gravity. Locate, level, and secure stationary side of the mold to the platen. In setup mold, determine your mold height. At this point, you should have programmed your predetermined tonnage requirements for your mold. While the mold is still closed, build up clamp force and release 3 times. Build up clamp force once more. Double check your stationary half mounting bolts. And secure moving half to platen. At this point, you're ready to remove the hanging straps, mounting bar, and open your mold. With proper mold mounting, wear will be reduced on leader pins, interlocks, and internal components. While flash from normal wear and material cannot be avoided, it can be greatly reduced from proper alignment and proper mounting. If you have any specific questions or more you would like to know, please go on our website, shoot us an email. We'd love to hear from you.